Hey, this is Barry with Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine. I'm at Lake X today. It's the test facility for Mercury. They got some big news. Now, it doesn't really apply to the pontoon industry because we're talking about 600 horsepower. But it's definitely exciting news for industry, so that's why I'm here checking it out.
I'd like to introduce the Mercury 7.6 liter V12 600 horsepower outboard Verado. Come on in, everybody.
We've been excited for the last couple of years. We knew this was coming. We've done a lot of market research. Our customers are really telling us in the market the boats are getting bigger, they need more power.
This boat, this 500 SSC, which is in that line of boats that we build that are fast day cruisers, the SSCs, we had a dream to do a boat of this size, but we just weren't quite sure how we were going to power it. Mercury shared with us that they had a new engine package that they were working on. They wanted us to come up and meet with them at Fond du Lac and talk about it. And when we got there, we learned more about it and found out it was truly the match for this boat.
It's my first time running them, my first time seeing them. I've heard little chirps of rumors out there about this new engine coming out, but I had no idea that I was going to be this impressed. When I first walked up to them and saw them, the styling they were able to achieve with it was probably the most impressive thing. And then once I drove it, the quietness, it's the most quiet engine I've ever heard. It's just extremely smooth, very, very fluid. And running the boat, the acceleration, everything smooth all the way through.
So this is unsurpassed noise, vibration, and harshness, the quietest engine Mercury has built. Then we couple that with a steerable gear case down below so that nothing moves above the water, everything's happening down underneath it. The technology in this is incredible, but we marry the technology with reliability.
Just can't say enough about what's behind us here, but then, you know, it is 2,400 horse, it's 48 cylinders, it's a lot of power going on back there, you know.
It's we've got a lot of these out there with triple and quad engine setups, and I think a lot of stuff is going to change, so it's definitely going to make a huge impact on the market.